Is that you?
Will I Sam?
Will I Sam?
You might.
Will I Sam or will I... Won't I Sam?
I forgot about the hot drop. I'm coming!
I have the sideways glitch. Cool.
Good start. Oh, who's making me lunch because you still can't do most things? Sarah. I'm going house.
A lot of people. Yeah. I'm pretty low.
Don't worry, Damo, we'll have you in this game in no time. I want that pump.
Yeah, get the pump. Get the pump, get the pump. Get the chest. The Neymar on top of their head.
Got Neymar.
Oh my god, nice.
Gonna do a quick scan so I can see the others. Across the road.
There's a lot over there.
Got 2 tags. Knock one.
Nice.
I'm gonna push that. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Excuse me.
I'm just gonna nade for now. Someone down there?
I think so. Ooh, nades.
Throw a nade in there. Oh, Deadpool. Oh no, not Deadpool.
I'm gonna go down there.
Yeah, she's down with yellow. No,
Nice, good shots.
More people will fly.
Oh, I'm out of mats.
Both knocked.
Another one on us is the bot.
Oh my god.
I think there's another one upstairs. Got him.
Nice.
Another one.
Ah, damn. It's a bot.
Is it?
Yeah,
Upstairs.
it's definitely, it's a bot.
it's a
It's
bot.
behind that door.
Oh god, no!
Got him.
Can I have that mechanical bow,
Yes.
please?
Damn, we're kind of masters of hot dropping these days. We're kind of lords, you know?
It sucks, doesn't it?
What?
It's really annoying.
Being so good. Yeah.
Yep.
When we're...
Oh god! Oh, I knocked. Jesus.
Real?
Oh, that.
What the fuck?
Yeah, Sam just pulled him through the build. Coming across the road.
Yeah. In the garage over there. 26 blue. Pro shield?
Surely that's a.
They seem
Maybe.
botish. I'm heading over there.
Oh, what the? Okay. I need help. I need help. I don't know where you guys are.
I'm coming. I
what
just
the-
had to fight the other one. Hang on.
Check me right now. Let's go. Alright.
One up on the hill there too.
I have bands. Just keep my
I
base.
have no builds, so we're gonna have to bail.
Yeah, I've only got brick.
I think they're bots.
I have some builds now. Some builds. Nice. Yeah, they're bots.
Oh, yeah. In there.
Yeah, I'm going for it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, last one on me. Needs loot. Coming for you, 19.
Righto. Grab the bot shotty because it'll be full. Same with the AR.
Bananas. There we go.
So we're just rocking 13 kills.
I know, right?
This hot drop. Obtain. What am I obtaining here?
Oh, yeah.
Got this one.
I got this one here.
Oh, he's over the road. Throwing nades at us.
16 kills coming out of here.
17 on my screen.
People coming in? Jesus.
More people.
Across the way. Over there.
Oh, what the? Yeah. Okay.
After this, I've got fucking like 100 mats. Are you kidding?
Wait, who's that with the recycler?
It's them.
Yeah.
Is it?
Oh, really?
No.
I don't know.
I don't know. It's a fucking crazy start to a game.
I'm just
I
mad
got
quickly.
minis. Yeah, I got minis here.
I'm making a revolver. I got a green pump for someone.
I got a green one already.
Yeah, same.
I don't know
The
if those
blue,
guys failed or
blue
not.
primal assault rifle here too.
I'm good, I got a regular. I've locked that this game.
Do you have any more minis?
I
though?
need heals.
Yeah, I got
bad.
one. Yeah. There's a
There's some
chili
splash
pepper up here.
barrels there too.
yeah, some splash barrels up here.
Come on, hang on. Just found bandies, taking them. No, let me use a bandy first. Hang on.
Yeah. Yeah, hang on, Sam. Hang on.
And a chili.
Yeah.
Hold it. Hey.
So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take
Take these.
Oh, is that names
gas
there?
can.
Yeah, I'm gonna take them if you don't need them.
I did need them, but
A bow, or
yeah, I've got a bow.
I can just hold them until you get more nades, so you don't have to take up
Green mechanical AR.
Oh yeah, true.
all the spots. We work together.
Let's get mats because I'm super low.
Oh, I got 6 nades here, Sam. Coming to you. Coming to you. Here you go.
Nice, thank you.
It's a rather intense little game we've got going on here.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Damo. The intent was to like die early.
Die.
It's
Yeah.
cool.
Full blue pump.
I mean, I think Damo's watching, right?
Yeah.
Are you
Yeah.
watching?
But, yeah.
Excuse me.
It's Druzy.
It's good.
It's cozy.
What movie is that of? Is that like Eurotrip or
Euro
something?
Trip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking Malipnos.
Yeah.
Fucking love Malipnos. Get the glade silent.
Yeah.
So good.
So just
How you guys going maths wise?
Not enough. I'm gonna do
like one.
I may pick this game out of the files and make a video.
17 kill star. Yeah.
Yeah, I know, right? Well, I've got 9. Let's do actual kill
I
tally.
have 6. I have 6.
That's
and
15.
I have 2.
So 17, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So
How
I
many
wonder
people?
who's holding the squad back.
What do you mean? There's no one.
Yeah, I
It's
died.
you.
So I don't know what you
It's
mean.
Damo, damn it, Damo!
It's always me.
Back and- oh my god.
You didn't get another game. Goddamn.
I'm at the 2 hour mark.
It's not bad.
Oh, wow. Zone's back towards the other way.
What? At least it's one of those games where after all that, the zone is still on us.
True.
I'd much rather that.
Oh, there's a person just here too.
Yeah,
Doesn't see
help.
me yet. Harvesting
Dave,
trees
Dave,
in here.
Dave, let's get the fuel can clip.
Not the fuel can. Where's the fuel can?
I've got it,
Oh,
I've got it. You
wait.
ready? You ready?
Do you want me to throw it? Do you want me to throw it?
No, I'm gonna throw it. You ready?
Okay.
Let's get a bit closer, bit closer, bit closer. Oh, we got low ground now though. Right, you ready?
Oh,
I'm doing it.
okay. We hit it.
Oh, he's good.
Yeah.
Downed him.
Nice.
Nice.
I completely fucked up there. You got minis?
Oh, right here.
Sorry.
Up hill. Slided. Other one's just here. So. Shield.
Tagged in.
Down the other one.
24 white. Dead.
Nice.
Get gold scarf now. A purple SMG.
Any minis floating around?
I've got none.
Jesus.
Oh no, I got
There
3.
was
Oh, there's some
up
here, there's
here,
some here,
yeah.
there's some here.
I need a couple too.
There's 6, yeah, nice.
Okay.
Oh,
Nades coming
that's
in.
nades.
Oh, yep.
Oh, okay.
In for 31. Blue.
Just gonna try and build up. Spray him, spray him.
He's not up there anymore.
Got this one.
Nice. Another one just yeeted over this way.
Ow, what was that build?
Ignore that.
Where'd he go?
He crawled out.
Yeah.
Oh, there.
Oh, another one over here. 24 blue on both.
Where'd the guy I killed go? He dropped down somewhere and crawled away.
Yeah, I think he lives here somewhere. Oh no, it's just a shockwave.
Get over here, you little bot. Where'd you go?
He's here.
Okay, cool.
He's going away, that guy.
Come out from behind that. Damn.
Yeah, we gotta go the other way. Lazy anyway, so.
Yeah, true.
Can't
We're
have it,
gonna have to fight the guys in those
Yeah.
houses.
I have 4
There's a guy out there too.
He'll be fine for now. 600 brick switching.
Yeah, I've only got 275 metal.
Yeah, yeah. Drop a
Get
brick.
any mats. Thank you. Oh, yeah, the guy edges zone. I don't see him shooting at.
Yeah, he shot at me too, but he missed. Where's there 22 left still?
Edges zone. Oh, broke shield. I think. No, I didn't break shield. Got about 20 shield left.
One further out that I hit for blue.
Yep.
Oh, you can't build here. I fucking hate houses like this.
Ah, damn it, Dave.
There's 2 on me.
I'm coming.
Wait, there's a guy behind me too.
I cracked him. Yep, got him.
Nice.
Nice, Al.
Oh my god!
He took the wall! He took the wall! What
Cracked,
the hell?
not cracked, sorry.
Jesus. You okay, dude?
He's Madden.
Yeah, I got a med as well. Two seconds. Oh, nice.
You don't fall damage.
Oh, I edited him down.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
fucking bot. Let's go.
Do
We're
you
still,
need
guys,
to
we're
start?
sitting on a fucking 24 bomb right now. And there's 10 left.
Is there another big pot there?
Yeah, there is actually. Yeah.
Jeez.
I better carry something. Yes.
I've got 1 med kit.
Bandies. Oh, do not want to drop that. Dude, this game is
You say you had a
fucked.
med kit, no?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. I got yeet nades as well. There's a car here.
Sam, get in.
Nope.
Let's go.
Dave's car's better.
It is. It's a monster
100%.
truck.
Woo!
The taxi monster truck. Anyone in here?
I don't know. I'm just going down. Yeah, zone.
Same. Going for the crate real quick.
This has a really bad turn, so
Yeah, but it looks cool, so don't worry about it.
it does.
Dave, can you chuck me that med kit?
Yeah.
Yeeting us in. Yeet us in. Yeet us in. Everyone hop in.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I can get the back. Ready? Ready?
Oh, go. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, we hit a tree, really?
Let's try again. Oh,
Oh.
God. It went underwater.
Okay, I got one more yeet nade.
Hey, Damo, yeah, look at this trick. I'll do it. I'll do it.
I'm over here, but
I'm in the car.
Where are you?
Oh, wait, you got yeet nades.
Drive us up to him? Yeah, I've got yeet nades. Sam, get in. We're gonna go up the mountain. You ready?
Yep.
Let's fucking go! There's people up on the
Alright,
very
up
top.
on-
top.
yeah.
I'm gonna yeet one more, alright? You ready?
Wait,
Let's do
wait.
it. Yeah, right here. Perfect. We get in the other seat. Sam, get in the other seat, please.
Wait, which
seats?
way we go? Oh, wait.
Ready?
Going towards Misty. Oh my god, no!
I'm getting out. Alright. We gotta go fight those guys.
So it's 7 between 3 squads, so...
Way up on the hill.
Oh, top of the hill.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I might be able to yeet him off.
I'm out of yeet nades.
I might just jump out of the car. I'm trying to...
No, I'm good. Go.
I think he knows we're coming
If
up.
he doesn't, he's a fucking idiot. Cracked.
Knocked. Nice.
Nice.
Teamwork.
Just here.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, on
Yeah,
you.
on me.
Shooting him out, shooting him out. He connected.
Damn it.
I'm knocking it down. I think.
He fell down and
Come on.
died.
He did die.
Dude, these guys that we're versing. Rocket coming out of nowhere? From down below?
Yeah. The big pot up here, isn't
Okay.
it? Okay, bro.
Ah, down here.
Yeah.
I'm just pushing his
I
face.
think I'm behind the builds, I think. Oh no.
Oh, come on. Oh! 76
Good hit.
out of the air!
That's some skate shooting right there.
Skate shooting, let's go! That's a clip, by the way. That's a fucking clip in that.
Come on. Do that again.
He's really wasting all his rockets right there. Jeez.
Oh, they've been shot from behind, too. Nice.
Oh yeah, on the roof as well. 24 blue. We're on the roof.
Guy pushing him? Neymar?
Yeah, 26 blue.
Yeah.
26 blue on him.
Let's get an angle. I'm gonna go get an angle. Oh, there's a guy just behind a fucking... Guy's behind a tree over here, by the way.
Yeah.
And they're bad. Good wall.
30 broke shield.
Fight. Fight again.
Knock, knock, knock.
Alright, let's push that.
Bursted. Has anyone got any spare arrows?
Yeah, mine.
Yeah, drop him behind.
Same,
Level
yeah,
30.
Ah, sweet. I don't need yours anymore, Al.
That's fine, I don't need him at all. Got this guy in a sec. Yep, there we go. Oh! The other one's
Shield
going
on one.
hard on me. Wow.
Yeah, we're firing him.
Down
now.
one.
Can heal, you know.
Broke him out of the air.
Whited.
The other one's resin. Over here.
You can shoot him.
Knocked one.
Nice. He's the one with the yeet bow.
Yeah, he's the last one. Last one. Don't let him
Giddy
res. Don't let him
up.
res. Don't let him res. Just spray, 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 spray. I don't know where he is.
Just right.
Broke shield. Whited. Oh god.
Where is he?
He's in here. In these.
Hit him for
Let's
80.
fucking go!
How many kills is that?
Nice.
I have 15.
Oh my god.
That's a 31 kill game.
Guys, if you like what you
well.
see, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, like the video, give it a comment, and come check me out on Twitch whenever you like for more great content. This is Extreme Gaffer.